Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the solution of assignment number 45, in which we have used functions and conditional statements. Here is the statement. You can also read that from the course outline. And in this, we have to continue a function actually, and that function is given here. This function, the indentation is missed due to the default behavior of compiler, because after function we have four space indentation but now here no indentation is shown, but these are actually after the four spaces, which is visual in the course outline. Okay, so here is one part of the function, and as you can see, we have the menu. This is the menu, and on the number one we have beef burger, and its cost is 600. On number two we have toddler wraps with cost 800. On number three, we have chai paratha with cost 200. And on four, we have chai with cost of 150. And then we have shakes with cost of 600. And there are different options in shake. You can have mango shake, you can have banana shake, you can have date shake or chiku shake. And every shake will cost you 600. Okay, these were few of the statement, and then we are asking for the choice. Enter your option. Like firstly, these all options will be shown. Number one, beef burger. Number two, tortilla wraps, and so on. Then we are asking enter your option. So if we enter one, we will assume that he is requiring beef burger because that is on option number one. And if he asked option number three, we will say it is chai paratha. And we have missed the one line that is menu. And in this, I have put together all the price. For the beef burger 600, option number one. Okay, I just by mistake on in the cell. Okay, see this list. In this list, we have on the first element, we have price for the first menu item, beef burger. And on the second element 800, which is price for the tortilla wraps. So for on the first index we have price of the first option, and on the second index we have price of the second option, and so on. As you can see on the last index 600, we have price for the last option, which is 600, which is priced 600 shakes. And then we are saying enter your option. And then here are the few of the requirements that you can read. We need to extract the price of that item, whichever the user will enter in this option, enter this option. If is a 4, we will extract 150 because that is the cost of chai. That is option number 4. And yes, that's it. Ask user for the quantity of item. Okay, he can also order 2 or 3 items. So for that, we will also ask what is the quantity. If you want chai paratha, how much chai paratha? If you want beef burger, how much beef burgers? So he will enter 2, 3, 1, or so on. Any item he can enter. After that, we will display the total bill. Okay. After that, we have few of the decorations here which you can read. I will just continue and we will also discuss these lines. Okay, so here the first few lines that were also discussed before these, enter your choice. After that, what is happening? We are extracting the price of the choice. How? Because let's say if we have enter one, which is beef burger. And beef burger is the zeroth index of our list, right? Indexing start from 0. So it is the 0 index of our list. So he has entered 1, but the index is 0. So we are doing 1 minus 1, which will give 0. Similarly, if we say chai, which is option number 4, and what is the index? 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 4 minus 1, 3 will extract the price. So here we are extracting the price from the list men, which stand for menu, and choice minus 1 for extracting the exact price, right? So this is how we will extract the price. So whatever the choice is, whether it is beef burger or tortilla wraps, we will have the price of that item in this variable. And after that, a few decoration. In case if the user has entered that I want milkshake or shake simply, if the option is 5, right? Because on 5 option we have shakes, then we are giving another menu which is banana, mango, date, chiku. And why? Because there are different shakes, so we are displaying the different flavors of shake, which are mango, banana, date, chiku, and ice cream shake. And then we are asking enter your choice of flavor. So using these lines, we have made our code capable to deal when the user enter I want shake, and we will display different shake to choose one of those. Once we are done, we will ask the quantity. Enter your quantity. How much do you need? How much beef burger? How much shakes do you need? And whatever the user will say, it will be saved in this variable. Then we will calculate the total price by multiplying price and the quantity. Because if there are two chai parathas, one chai paratha costs 150, two chai paratha will cost 150 multiplied by 2, 300. So the total bill will be stored in this total variable. After that, we are just printing, okay, your total is total. And these underscores are just for the decoration. You will see these when we run the program. These equal signs are also for the decorations. Okay, now we will run the program. I will just stop this execution and I will run again. Okay, once we run, it is showing us the menu and we have 5 items in the menu. What we want, let's say we want chai paratha. Okay, chai paratha costs 200. So we have option 3, right? Option 3 is chai paratha. And after that, it is asking to enter the quantity. Let's say we want 3 chai parathas and your total is 300 because one cost 200, two cost 400, and three will cost 600. And what if we enter shake, which is option number 5? I have entered the 5, and now one more menu, which is mango, banana, date, chiku, ice cream. Enter your choice of flavor of shake. And I want ice cream shake, which is option number 5. Enter quantity, let's say we want 2 shakes, and our total will be 600 because shake individually was of 600, so 2 shakes will be of 1200. So this is how we will implement the requirements of assignment number 45. You can overview this file, this code, and things will be clear, inshallah.